This is the Dom and Henry show.
We're closing out the night.
We're closing out the night.
Joe's birthday party.
Yes.
The pig.
Joe,
is
happy
overlooking
birthday,
the
brother.
fire.
We had Tracy here with her husband, Rob, which was a great
From
addition.
Lake Poinsett.
Lake Poinsett. We're going out on the boat next week.
2 new subscribers.
Tracy, come over here. Come here, Tracy.
Come here, Tracy.
Come here.
Stay with the pig.
Come on over here.
Hurry up.
Come on.
Get in
Come
there.
over here. Come
Get
on.
in there.
Come over here.
Say
So
hi to
we
the
got
pig.
Tracy. Say hello to the pig.
We're going to name the
Give
pig
the pig
next
a
week.
kiss.
We're giving the
Give
pig.
the pig a
Give
kiss.
him a kiss.
Ah, I love it.
And
Another one.
We're naming the pig next week. We got 434 entries. We're going to pull one out of the box.
437.
And we're going to 437.
Seven.
We're going to pull one out of the box for him next week.
Right. Thank you, YouTube. See ya.